In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account in Zoho Mail. Adding an external email account to Zoho Mail can help you manage multiple email addresses from one place, making your life just a bit easier. Whether you're trying to consolidate your work and personal emails or want to ensure you don't miss any messages, integrating your accounts can streamline your email experience. Let's walk through how you can do this step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Mail account. Open your browser and enter mail.zoho.com, then sign in using your credentials. Once you're in the main inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the gear icon, often used as a universal symbol for settings. Click on this icon to dive into your mail settings. Once you've accessed the settings, you're going to look for the section labeled Mail Accounts. This is where all the configuration regarding your different accounts lies. It's like your command center for email management. Open this section and you're on your way. Next, you will see an option to add an external email account. Look for the button with a plus symbol that says Add Mail Account. Click this to initiate the process of adding your new account. This will lead you to the next critical step: choosing the account type and provider. At this point, you need to decide on how you'd like Zoho to connect to your email account. There are two protocols you can choose from: IMAP, which is recommended for its ability to sync emails across all your devices, and POPI, which downloads emails to one device. After deciding on the protocol that suits your needs best, it's time to choose your email provider from options like Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or select Other if your provider isn't listed. Now comes the part where you'll enter your account details. Start with how you'd like your name to appear in Zoho. Then, enter your email address, which should be in full, like your Gmail address, if that's what you're adding. Next are your incoming and outgoing server settings. For example, if you're adding a Gmail account, you need to use imap.gmail.com for incoming and smtp.gmail.com for outgoing. You will also need to check your provider's documentation for the correct port and whether you should use SSL TLS settings. Lastly, provide your username, which is typically your full email address, and your password. Once all the information is filled in, it's time to authenticate and save your new settings. If you're using Gmail or Outlook, leveraging OAuth for secure sign-in minimizes the use of passwords. Otherwise, insert your username and password, then click Authenticate or Save. Once authenticated, Zoho Mail will begin fetching messages into your inbox, and you'll also be able to send emails from this newly integrated address. By following these steps, you've added another layer to your email system that helps you stay organized and efficient. Remember, integrating all your accounts into Zoho Mail can enhance productivity and ensure you keep up with all your communications effortlessly.